Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be walking you through the process of selling digital art prints on Etsy. Let's jump right in. Etsy is a popular online marketplace where you can find a wide variety of products, from handmade items and vintage treasures to digital downloads like wall art and printable designs. If you're an artist or creator, Etsy provides a great platform to showcase and sell your digital prints, which have a strong niche on the site. To get started, you'll first need to create an account. Visit Etsy.com, scroll down to find the Sell option, and log in using your Google account to set up your store. It's a simple process. Name your shop, and you're ready to create your first listing. When you create a new listing, this is where you upload all the details of your product. Start by adding photos, up to 10 images, to showcase your work. For digital products, use mock-up images instead of the actual file to protect your work. Tools like Canva are great for creating these mock-ups, as I've shown in another video. These images will represent your product visually to potential buyers. You can also add a thumbnail image and a short video clip between 5 and 15 seconds to make your listing more engaging. Then, fill out the listing details, including the product title, description, and relevant categories. For digital products like wall art, you'll select digital prints as the category and specify optional details such as colors, dimensions, or themes. One key step is to set your renewal option for the listing. You can choose between manual or automatic renewal. Since this is a digital product, be sure to select the digital type to indicate that buyers will receive a downloadable file. In the description, provide as much information as possible to help buyers understand what they're purchasing. Set your price and quantity, and if you offer personalization options, enable them here. As a digital product, there's no shipping fee. Instead, you'll upload the file, typically in PDF format, that buyers can download after purchase. If you have multiple files, you can upload up to 10. You'll also have the option to specify return and exchange policies if applicable. Once all the details are complete, preview your listing to ensure everything looks perfect. Your mock-up images should be clear and attractive, showing buyers exactly what they're getting. When satisfied, click Save and Continue to publish your listing. Selling digital art prints on Etsy is a straightforward process, with the main focus on creating eye-catching mock-ups and uploading your downloadable file. Thanks for watching and happy selling!